Uh, Hello. Uh, uh, Hope you are doing good. So this is Swapnil. Here I'm gonna explain you about the uh, power of Azure Cognitive Services, where I'm gonna explain you about how the image classification, how cognitive services are helping to predict the image analysis. So starting with my profile, here I am, and talking about the agenda. So the agenda is also agenda is all about use Microsoft Organizer Services to train images with multi-tag classification. That I'm gonna explain you how I'm talking about uh, the use of multiple tags. Then with the use of the tool, we are gonna call the image classification, and we are gonna perform two tests. One is we are gonna train the model using two tests. One is quick test and another is a advanced test on the different images to check the element. So basically we are going to first train the model, and then we are going to call the different images to predict which is the exact one. So here we are. What is exactly the cognitive services? Cognitive services are a set of machine learning algorithms that are developed by Microsoft, which has developed to solve problems in the area of artificial intelligence. So this is a part of image processing. Actually, there are a lot of tools are available for instance, OpenCV, and there is MATLAB. So Microsoft has developed one tool which we can also call packaged, which to discrete components that are easy to for the developers to use in their own apps. So we don't need any coding or any logic behind predicting the image analysis. Moving to the next slide. Image classifier. So image classification is a supervised learning problem defined a set of target classes. So basically these classes will have objects in the image type, and then we are going to train a model to recognize them using labeled example photos. So for an instance, I have taken, so let me talk about the flow of the this project. So first of all, I'm going to explain with the live demo as well. First we need to have a uh, we need to create a new project. Then we are gonna create different tags, then we are gonna upload the images relevant to the tags, and then we are gonna train the model using two tests. One is quick test. I'm gonna explain you about quick test because advanced test will take around 1 hour, but still I have performed advanced test as well. But in the live demo I'm gonna explain you about quick test, then prediction on the images, how we the image classifier can predict the images. So here I have used my topic as mountains for image classifications. So I have used four type of categories in mountains. One is stone, one is fold, one is volcanic, and one is fault block. So let me jump to the custom vision.ai screen so we can have a better proper. It is here. I have already created one project called assignment for STM. I'm gonna start with the new fresh project. So here we are creating new project called assignment for STM, and just describe assignment example, and then we are gonna select multi-label radio button because it's gonna contain a lot of text per image. So we are creating a project here, and under that this is the dashboard uh, where we are gonna create first of all four different tags. Let me create one is storm tag, another is a volcanic tag, another is a fold tag, another is a fault blocked. For better understanding, we are gonna also create one common tag that is mountain, where we are gonna upload our all of the images. So starting with the adding the images, here we are gonna add the images. So for folder, let's take the first example for fold. Open, and here we are gonna fold add into the fold, and then also in mountain upload 7 files. So it's uploading into the dashboard, so it's successfully uploaded. Then we are gonna upload for uh, DOM tag, DOM. Another is mountain. As I explained you that we are gonna add into the one common tag mountain. We are uploading 6 photos here. Done. Then for alt block, fault block, and mountain. Then the last one is remaining is the volcanic mountains. So here we go with the volcanic mountains. Open volcanic and mountain. So uh, here you can see that we have uploaded all the images relevant to their tags. So for an example, dome tags are having dome mountains images, fault block mountains having the different images, and fold, and then so you can see the total is 27 for mountain because that's the common tag for all the photos. So after that we're gonna train the model. So here you can see that we are getting two options. One is quick training and another is quick advanced training. If you are selecting advanced training, um, because advanced training will have a compute of a set of algorithms which is gonna take a long time to have analysis. So it will take around 1 hour minimum to train the model. But here you are selecting quick training. Quick training also will take around 5 minutes of time. So I'm gonna pause the video here. So let me click the quick training. Yeah. So again, we will be back after 5 minutes. Yeah, hi guys. So the model has been trained. So if you can see the analysis here, it got 90.9% of precision. Recall is 71.4 and AP is 92.6. So let's do have a quick taste. So here, first of all, we are gonna upload the images that we have uploaded while adding the images. So first of all, let's try with the volcanic images. So here you can check the analysis that we have got from the training the model. So here you can see that it's having 95.8 of precision under volcanic tag because it is a volcanic image since the precision is 95.8 and mountain is 98.2. Now let's compare with other tags that we have uploaded. Let's try with dome. So here we go with the dome tag. So here you can see that 670% of this image is a dome one. So let's try with the images that we haven't uploaded now. So let's take a call in the fold fold mountain. Okay, so here we are. Let's call this image. Let's copy the image address, and here we are pasting the site. Okay, so here you can see that fold tagged is having 90.5 percentage of probability of this image prediction. So it is a correct that is a fold mountain only. So now let's compare the difference between advanced and quick test. So this is the another project that I have created, but in this I have created two iteration. One is for quick training and another is a advanced train model. So let's test with the advanced. Just give me a more moment. So if you can see the result here, uh, in the advanced training model, we have got 99.9% of match. So this is the most accurate version of the image prediction we can call. So if you are having an advanced training model, it's gonna give the correct result. So for here you can see that this is a 99.9 percentage of match. So now let's give some of the random images. So uh, here we can take sports car as well. So let's copy the image address and paste it into this. Yeah. So here you can see that we have got 98.5% of match in volcanic. So we must have a question. So this is not a mountain. So why we got 98.5 percentage of match? So if you can see here, whatever the we have uploaded images for volcanic one, they contain orange color. So if you can see the color, you also predict the color also. So if you can see the color is orange, and also the shape got a bit a straight one like the one. So they are gonna get some pixels, they are gonna have image processing on it. So they have 98.5 percentage of match. If we are iterating fast model, that is a quick model, let's see the result again. So if you can see that volcanic now is now having 83.6 percentage of match. So as I told you, though both are the having a difference. One is the quick training model and another is advanced training model. So based on the train model, we are gonna get the percentage. Now let's have some another example that I can show you. So let's take any example related to road elements. So have let's have the image for this. Wrong image URL. Let's create a different one. So here I'm pasting the result. So it's taking a longer time, but we're gonna get the result into it. Let's close it again and let's have it again. So since it is showing wrong URL, let's create one helicopter images. So let's take the example for this. Copy image address. Yeah, so if you can see that for iteration 2, so that is an advanced train model, we got fold for 38 percentage. Because the shape, if you can see, the helicopter is having slightly this stage, so it's a bit folded in. It's a center one is a whole piece, but from the side edges it is a folded one, so that's why it has got 38 percentage match. So now let's have a quick test in the dome images, dome mountains. So we are here we are having copy image address, here we have paste URL. So here you can see the result. We have got 99.9 percentage of match, because since it's a dome mountain, so we got 99.9 percentage of match. We are gonna iterate the model with the first quick test. So it got 85 percentage of match. So likewise we can predict the images based on the multiple tags, multiple labels. So here you can see in the advanced training model we have got 100% of precision. Recall moment is 78.6% and AP is, so AP is basically a measure of model performance, summaries, precision and recall at the different threshold. So if you are having a threshold, so probability threshold have been set for 50%. So on the 50% of basis, we are getting 96.0 percentage of AP. That's performance call. So here in the predictions tab, you will find a lot of images that I have tried into the last stage. So here you can see that whatever I have tried into this, uh, they will show you. So here you can see, for I have tested the house image. So here you can see the all of the result analysis volcanic 64.1. So yeah, this one is a very good example that I shown, that I have pasted lake image. So under that I got fold block mountain for 64.3 percentage. Because if you can see that this is a flat surface, but if you can see in the after that we are getting trees and trees image and everything. So it is a bit kind of fault block image for the image prediction analysis. So that's why here you can see the roadblock sign. So we have got 89.7 percentage of match for volcanic. So that is also true because it is orange color and the shape is also having like a volcanic mountain only. So that's why we have got 89 percentage for match for this. So it's all about the Azure Cognitive Services and image classification. Thank you. Hope you have understood the project in the well manner. Thank you.